Welcome back to Newsramp Health, Fitness, and Wellness for Thursday morning, February 12th, 2026. As always, real news stories with AI narration. Visit newsramp.com for the full articles. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Here we go. New therapy services launched to support mental health in DC. Therapy Group of DC is expanding its mental health services in Washington, D.C. to meet the increasing demand for comprehensive care. With a focus on individual and couples counseling as well as high-performance coaching, the practice aims to support residents in navigating the challenges of city life. By offering specialized anxiety and trauma care, performance psychology, and telehealth options, Therapy Group of DC is committed to enhancing accessibility to mental health resources in the district. CPR skills prepare communities to save lives when seconds matter. During American Heart Month 2026, the National Fraternal Order of Police and the American Heart Association are urging Americans to be prepared to respond in a medical emergency such as cardiac arrest. Immediate CPR can double or triple survival chances, highlighting the importance of community preparedness. By expanding CPR education, communities can activate the chain of survival earlier, improving outcomes when every second counts. Revolutionizing therapy, a new approach in Charleston, SC. Revolutionizing therapy in Charleston, SC, the Therapy Group of Charleston is setting a new standard for mental health care. Departing from the one-size-fits-all approach, they offer tailored services that align with each individual's unique needs. By combining evidence-supported techniques with a personalized touch, they aim to provide a more effective and efficient path to healing for the community. For more information, visit the Therapy Group of Charleston website.
Amplify Health Home Care Hub, improve hospital throughput, patient experience. Amplify Health, in partnership with Home Care Hub, has successfully transitioned its first 12 patients to supportive housing and care, marking a milestone in addressing post-hospitalization care gaps. The innovative transitional placement services model focuses on personalized care for patients with complex needs, ensuring a smooth transition from hospital to a small care home environment. This collaboration aims to improve patient outcomes and relieve pressure on hospital resources, setting a new standard in post-acute patient care.
Top-rated orthodontist near me in Austin, Texas. Rise Plus Smile Orthodontics in Austin, Texas, led by Dr. Matthew Faulkner, offers top-rated orthodontic care with clear braces, traditional braces, and Invisalign. Dr. Faulkner's personalized approach and focus on patient satisfaction make it a premier choice for families. The practice's commitment to affordability and cutting-edge technology ensures a positive orthodontic experience for all patients.
Quantum research, published in the Journal of Molecular Graphics and a Medium. Modeling study highlights in silico enzyme engineering approach for sustainable drug manufacturing. Quantum Corp announced the publication of its latest research in the Journal of Molecular Graphics and Modeling. The study showcases the company's in silico enzyme engineering approach for sustainable drug manufacturing. By utilizing virtual screening and computational modeling, Quantum aims to optimize enzyme variants before experimental testing, potentially revolutionizing biocatalyst development. The research highlights the role of computational modeling in enhancing research efficiency and prioritizing enzyme candidates for further study. John Foy and Associates announces 2025 Strong Arm Leukemia Scholarship winner Madeline Abor. John Foy and Associates awards Madeline Abor the 2025 Strong Arm Leukemia Scholarship, providing $1,000 for her final semester at Baylor University. Abor, a survivor of acute lymphocytic leukemia, aims to become a pediatric oncology physician assistant to support children facing similar challenges. The firm hopes to ease her financial burden and encourages students to apply for the 2026 scholarship.
DEA issues final rule implementing Protecting Patient Access to Emergency Medications Act. The U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, has issued a final rule implementing the Protecting Patient Access to Emergency Medications Act of 2017. This rule provides clarity on handling controlled substances by emergency medical services nationwide. It outlines registration, security, storage, and administration requirements, ensuring oversight while enabling timely patient access to life-saving medications. The NARCBox system offers a comprehensive compliance solution exceeding federal standards, aiding agencies in meeting regulatory requirements.
Why SomDeep Contactless Smart Sleep Monitor is the only solution suitable for long-term use. SomDeep Contactless Smart Sleep Monitor revolutionizes sleep tracking by eliminating the need for wearables, ensuring comfort and accuracy over time. With radar-based technology, continuous monitoring, and AI-powered insights, SomDeep provides long-term data without disrupting natural sleep patterns. Experience a non-intrusive solution for understanding sleep health and trends with SomDeep Contactless Smart Sleep Monitor.
How SomDeep's millimeter wave radar tracks breathing and heart rate without touching the body. SomDeep introduces a revolutionary way to monitor sleep and health without the need for wearable devices. Using millimeter wave radar technology, the contactless smart sleep monitor tracks vital signs like breathing and heart rate without touching the body. This non-intrusive approach ensures uninterrupted sleep, offering real-time insights into sleep patterns and overall health. Experience the future of sleep monitoring with SomDeep for a better, more comfortable night's rest.
KS Group appoints Shah Tilani and Associates, a Dubai-based PCAOB auditor, to consolidate all 2025 financial statements for CSDX, CS Interform GTLLC, and CS Diagnostics Pharma GDM. CS Group has appointed Shah Tilani and Associates, a Dubai-based PCAOB auditor, to consolidate all 2025 financial statements for CSDX, CS Interform GTLLC, and CS Diagnostics Pharma GDM. This move reflects the group's commitment to enhancing financial governance and transparency as it expands internationally. The consolidation and audit process will align the group's reporting structure with U.S. public company standards, supporting improved financial clarity and investor confidence.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.